Hello everyone, this is quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use Lofted boss. Before active Lofted boss, we need to sketch for parameter. In this case, I have 3 sketch. Active Lofted boss. Click this sketch and this point. You can do like this for change the result. Okay. See? And now active Lofted boss again. Click this edge. Sorry, delete this section. Go to this Lofted. Click sketch 2 and click this circle. See? You can do like this. Okay. See? Maybe you can active shell to make this part like a pot. Make sure parameter is 1 mm. Click this face. Okay. See? That is quick tips. See ya.